What is up, everybody? We are back on the Z125. I haven't been on this bike in, well, I've actually been riding this bike a lot recently, but on the channel it's been a while. Oh my god, this thing is so loud right now. I don't know how much it'll show up on camera with the mic in my helmet, but this thing is loud right now. I was riding around the other day and I started to hear a rattle towards the end of the ride, so I looked kind of back and saw it was coming out of like where the baffle was, so I just kind of shook around the baffle, and that bolt that holds in the baffle, the silencer or whatever, had just completely fallen out. So I went ahead and took out the baffle, and I still have that. I just got to get another bolt for it. I kind of like it being loud, but at the same time, it is just way too loud. It's loud. But we're heading over to meet up with Tyler on his 450RL, that brand new bike. Gonna ride around. He's just been putting some miles on it, breaking it in and whatnot. I don't even think he's taking it off road yet, but just hooning around a little bit. My KLX has a flat tire still. Tube was out. That's a whole nother story. I thought I fixed the other day. It got another flat tire. I don't even know. So like 55 to 65-ish, maybe even a little over that. I'm probably a little overdressed right now, but I'd rather be a little toasty than cool. So I've been trying to take advantage of this little warmer weather the last couple days, because it was freezing out before that. I would be on the KLX right now, but I gotta do a tire on that. I'm going to the mountains this weekend, so I'm trying to do that before I go, just to have it done. Yeah, but I'm gonna be interested to see how this audio is in this helmet, because it's kind of got the face shield in there instead of the goggles, so I think I'm getting a lot less wind into the microphone, but we'll see. Oh, I couldn't make it on the Z. I tried to merge, but the minivan was going too fast. The Z couldn't do it. Oh man, it's nice out. The one thing that would be cool to put in this helmet is like a SEMA or a Cardo. Woo! Hey! If you have those, let me know. Can like a SEMA talk to a Cardo, or can they only talk to each other? Because I'm looking at getting one to install in this helmet. Feels so good out right now. I got my freaking ski jacket on right now, but it's got like a little skirt keeping it tight. I haven't worn this all year and I don't know why. Okay. Holy shit. I've been throwing the third gears lately too on this Grom this ain't a Grom, on the Z125. And man, if you just seat bounce it and pull it up, third gears are definitely doable. I did a nice one back there. They're fun. I can't believe it for stock gearing on the Z125. Oh shit, that's actually a nice jump. Woo! That thing eats. You starting to get her dirty now. You starting to get her dirty now. You haven't got it dirty until you take it to Busco. Busco, she won't come back the same. Yo, someone's got like a rut right there. You see, some other person's been doing that, right? This little rut right there, and then this is all right here. Oh shit. I was looking at him, I didn't see that big little drop off. I'm sure we've came back here in a few videos before, but we used to come back here before any of this was a park, any of this was paved, open to the public. It used to be an old road that went straight back here to the lake, and now I guess there's a gate right here, but it was an old road and it just went straight into the lake before the lake was even here, and it comes out on the other side. You can see it on the other side of the lake, but now they got a little park. Ooh, I like that GTI. I've been looking at those for a little gas saver daily. Whoa, bunny! Slow it down, slow it. Oh, missed it. Oh, it's starting to get dark now. I'm fine with that because about a month or two ago, it was getting dark at 5 p.m. Now I think it's like 6 p.m. Woo! Thank y'all for watching. Hope you all enjoyed this video. Leave a like. All the links for the bars, for the levers, everything in the description. I'll see y'all in the next video. Hopefully with the KLX up and running.